Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today is the 14th and it's snowing. I'm heading to a doctor's appointment. I'm running a little late. So it's 10 o'clock and it's after 10 now. It's like 8 minutes after 10. But we move. What are they gonna tell me? To go back home? I don't trip on my umbrella. I knew it was snowing because I had my window open and then I closed it before I left. So
few moments later.
And I came outside like this. Oh, they calling me. Shit. Not them calling me. I'm right here. Didn't I just say I was late? But they called me and said, he's like, I hope you're not close by because the dentist that was supposed to come in didn't come in and I didn't get no call, no nothing. I'm like, okay. I'm like 2 blocks away, but I could turn back because I don't live far. He's like, okay, I'm so sorry. I was a bag. I'm like, what the hell is that? He's like, I'm so sorry. Well, we're rescheduling for the 24th. At the same time. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, it's okay. It's all right. But I am a little irritated because I stayed in my bed. But it's not his fault. So, but I could have stayed in my bed though. Look at me outside in the snow. Alright. I'm not gonna let that miss my day. But I'm just gonna go to Dollar Tree right now because I need stuff from Dollar Tree anyways. And it's like literally on the block of Dollar Tree. What's going right there, y'all? Showed y'all already, but that's crazy, man. I'm here rushing. I should have waited a couple more minutes before I left out the house. Because if I had waited like 3 more minutes before I left out the house, I would have got that call. So it's cool because I was late. So you know what? I'm not gonna make a big deal out of it. I'm just gonna make today something different, I guess. And I left the other phone charging, so hope this one is showing good, man. Man, I freeze though. I need to go to a beauty supply store. I think I'm gonna get that papaya soap. But it was working. It says it helps for dark spots and stuff, so that's why I was using it. Shawana. Morning. It's cold. That's what I'm a old co-worker I used to work at McDonald's with. I got framed already. I just need to get the picture. Oh, this is cute. This little love thing. It's cute. Cute. Hello, B-E. I love myself. Oh, the roll on. I didn't know I had this still. I ain't seen this in a while. Well, like this. I never saw this. This brand, Polish Stick. Hold on. It said that. I didn't even see it. But we gonna get this one.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the quality in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she.
I don't want to open it. I want to see what's inside. Shouldn't be doing that. Oh, it's a cup. My appointment was deep clean on this side because last time I went there I did it on this side. So I was trying to get my deep. Like I said, they told me that I didn't have to wait, but I wanted to wait. Now I'm gonna get it after my birthday because I'm going on a trip and I'm trying to enjoy my food. So yeah, I'm not trying to go on a trip and not trying to eat what I want to eat because my tooth is because I got braces on. Oh, sorry. Because I got braces on. I don't got time. I wonder if they got my chips. Oh, so they got shipments. They got shipments, so that means they should have my chips, right? I don't got it. See? But now, and the thing is, I didn't eat no breakfast. I'm not gonna eat. Because I didn't get no breakfast because, you know, you go to the dentist. You can't eat no breakfast. I got one cashier here, as always. One cashier. I get what I want. I'm gonna do a little self-care shopping. So I see this one. This one look nice. It's two come in a pack. Like, why not get that? And you gotta change the toothbrush. What is it? Every 3 months or something like that. Let me get one with the blue. You know, blue by color. And I'm gonna get this. I do have toothpaste, but I'm gonna get one with the baking soda. Get that one. I'm trying to spend a lot of money in here because I want to do a lot of stuff. Just a little few things. I have Listerine already. Should I get another one? Should I get this? This is cute. Cranberry. I need a soap. Pear. Bath and Body. Bath and Beauty.
No, not you, boss.
Oh,
This one.
You want me?
Yes. I said, don't be acting like you in here shopping all day like you still be shopping.
No.
For hours.
Boy, she got her toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
I got this. Oh, it's under eye cream. Oh, I need one of these. I need one of these. I didn't even know this. I thought it was facial hydrator. They got facial serum, watermelon and aloe. I need this. Okay, so I'm gonna get alright. So they got stuff here that I need. Oh, they got conditioner. Look at this. Hydrating olive. What's this conditioner? I got the shampoo. Yep.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you.
It's so cute. Color vibe. Brush. Got the face brush. Got the hair remover for the facial hair or just on your side. Got this and eyebrow eyeshadow applicators. This is a good price, but I have this on my cart on Temu and it's cheaper, so I'm gonna leave it. The same 3 in a brush, 3 in a pack. I have this face roller already, so I'm not gonna get it. Put that in there. Look at this. I saw this on Temu. It's basically like where is it? Like that one, but it's open, it closes and opens. We got a cuticle cutter, like, you know. I got the mini sponges. These look cute. These right here, some foundation serum. Never heard of this. Infused face powder. Dollar Tree them step it up. That's all I'm gonna say. What's this? Oh, it's hand cream. I don't need that. Oh, they got the nail clippers. Cute. Leave-in kit. What's this? Nail polish holder. Oh, this is cute. I need one of these. It's cute. I like that. Let me get this one. I bought these so many times. I have so much of that. I'm not buying that. It's cute to have though. They have another one right here. And this is the eyeliner powder. This is like the one they have at Target, right? It looks familiar, the name. And the mini tweezers. They're so small. Lip color. Oh, they got lipstick in here, y'all. Look at that. Oh, face primer. I need one of these, but I don't know my shade. This one is cool pink. Isn't? Okay, I'm gonna just leave that because I don't know. Oh, this color is cute. What? I saw some on. I saw some on Timo. What's this? Shampoo brush. Look at a mini. That is so cute. Body massager. You know I need one of these though. I'm gonna get one of these because sometimes my back be hurting. I found some. Oh, it's just ear spritz. That's not what I want. I don't know why I'm buying these clay masks because I have the clay mask I bought from Amazon that I barely use. So look at this. This is cute. And they got this one. I bought this. This one. Right, and I bought this one before though. This one is nice. I actually use this one and finish it up. Hair mask. Something is soft tea. Soft tea tree eucalypt. This is daily moisture hair, body, and scalp oil. I don't got no smell. They have papaya. And they have this one. So the ear mask. Define and shine, achieving gorgeous. I don't want to open it, but shield. Infused with castor seed oil. I don't need that. I think that's about it. That's the regular shampoo and conditioner and stuff that I don't need right now. And go wrong with some aloe vera gel. I have this one already. The exact same one. So, ooh, here get a toner. Here we get a facial mist. One annoying. I bought this one before. Facial mist. I have this home. Found some sunglasses. They don't have much options, but I saw this one. This one is so freaking cute, and I'm about to get it. Cause I saw this on Timo for $260. I'll try this on real quick. I hope it's not dirty. Put away from my face. I can't see my face. Oh. I like this. Oh.
You must really be bored.
No, I'm
The fuck is wrong with you?
making a video.
For what?
I'm a content creator.
Oh my God, we just did a video. I don't know this man. Not today. I said he thought he was leaving out of here. Not today. Now, but she don't play with nobody. This all the stuff that he had in his bag. Well, some of the stuff he had in his bag.
Yeah, because I saw him. He was being fishy. Sneaky. I'm going to cut all that out. I cut it out. Why did you do that? It's so rude. She's a mess. I got this one. And they got this one. This one I have. I'm trying to get out of here. So I'm trying to see if we should get these wipes. I like these better. These are old school. What?
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna.
I just came out of Dollar Tree. And it's snowing. And I just spent $21. Seriously? See? My friend was like, girl, what you here doing so long? And I'm like, girl, I'm making a content, okay? And this lady was like, yeah. She's like, oh, my need to get 2,000 a month. I'm like, see, look at that, girl. 2,000 a month? So she was like, oh, but she wants this. I'm like, that's a bit. My hair all on my face, yeah. Woo! Come on, man, get out my face. Well, I'm not about to cook. I got food inside. I'm not buying no food until next week. It is 11:30. I've been in Dollar Tree for like an hour and a half.